Welcome to part 3 of our AI resume analyzer series. In the last part, we set up the Python environment and build the logic to extract text from resumes and job description. Now it's time to give our app some brains, using machine learning spaCy NLP model to extract skills from resumes and job descriptions. If you haven't watched the previous parts, please check them first. Link is in the description. We now have a clean and a simple way to extract resume and job description content. We will use this text soon to extract skills, all with a bit of AI magic, so let's keep going. Now we will teach our app to recognize actual skills by building skill extractor using Python and spaCy. We will start by importing two libraries, pandas to read our skill list from a simple CSV, and spaCy, which is a natural language processing library. It helps us to break down the text into smart, readable tokens. Here we are loading spaCy's English model and reading a CSV file called skills.csv. This file just holds a curated list of skills like JavaScript, SQL, Figma, and more. We clean that list and store it in a set called valid skills, so our matching will be fast and accurate. This is our main function. We pass in any text like a resume or a job description. spaCy breaks it down into tokens, words basically. We keep only the important ones. No punctuation, no stop words. Though we check which of these are in our skills list. Finally, we return a sorted list of the matching skills. And that's it. Now our app can actually read a resume or a job offer and pick out real and useful skills from it. In the next part, we will calculate the semantic match between a resume and the job description. Don't forget to subscribe, follow me on Instagram to support my journey, and grab the project kit, code, assets, and guide from the link in the description.